Hey guys, so in this video, I want to talk about the top 15 stocks that have dropped massively for 2019. So if you want to know who are the biggest losers, check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Germo. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, smash that bell so you get updated every time I create new content about the stock market. We've just breached the 60,000 mark. Thank you so much to all of you who have been subscribing to my channel. The road to 100,000 is now in effect. Please do continue to share, like, subscribe, and be part of this channel. Enjoy the rest of the video. So, here's the thing guys, the context of this video is basically we've seen stocks that have been fundamentally sound that have dropped massively. The Jollibees, the MPIs, and we've also seen some stocks that because of certain things that have been happening, they've been down also for a great amount of time already. Case in point, ABS-CBN. Another thing is there have been stocks also that last year they were underperforming, they were battered, they were down. But this year, they're the ones that are performing as well. Case in point, Cebu Pacific, case in point, FGen. That's why it would be nice to know also, what are the stocks that are battered for 2019? Because they might be candidates for 2020 as well. I'm not saying that they're the ones that you should buy outright today, but I'm saying that since they're down massively, they might be stocks that could have a chance, could have a potential to finally reverse and go up. I hope you're excited about this because I am. I just love sharing about information about the stock market, about things that will actually help you execute more and help you win in the market. So if you're excited, comment excited below and we're gonna dive into this data. Alright, so let's talk about the biggest stock losers for 2019. Please remember the context of all of this is the start of the year versus where we are today. We're at the first week of December. So I'll probably make another one at the start of January to at least gauge, or at least the end of December 2019, to at least show you the full year report. If you like formats like this, comment below. I want more of this because if you like more, I'll also make a video about the biggest stock winners for 2019 as well. Before I begin also, can you guys guess who do you think is the biggest loser for the year? Who do you think is the biggest stock that have dropped massively? I don't know if I can give a reward, no, but let's see if I can give something, if I can do something to you guys. But comment below, who do you think is the biggest loser for the year? By the way, just a quick plug, our last events for the year, Stock Smarts Manila, will be December 7th, 8th, and 14th. This is for people who want to know how to trade with conviction using technical and fundamental analysis. Then for those who want to hear the insights of a fund manager, those who want to hear the insights of an economist on where the economy is headed and the top stocks to buy for 2020, we have this event also on December 14th. For those who can't attend the live events, all of the links for my books are in the description. You can order them via Shopee. So, Stock Investing Made Easy, Winning Strategies for Investing, Stress-Free Investing, Breaking the Resistance, and Where Should You Invest? So anyways, speaking of the biggest stock losers for 2019, please remember, context lang to all of this is all of them have dropped at least 40%. The minimum, the largest stock in ranking this 15 stocks, the largest of them, or the smallest loss is around 40%. And context also, the biggest hit among those 15 stocks was pretty much because of the trade war. Please remember, even though we're in the Philippines, we're not immune to what's happening outside. Whatever happens outside the country, we also get hit. Whatever happens to the relations between China and the US, we also get hit as well because we do also exports. We're not the biggest exporter. We're not the biggest exporting country in the region. But whatever happens, there's some portion of our economy, some segments of our economy that get hit. Context also, some of the stocks that have been down, their fundamentals have been bad. When I say bad, either their income is declining or they have been getting negative earnings, meaning they've been losing money. Some of them have been losing money for 1 quarter, some of them the past 3 quarters, some of them just straight. They've been losing money already for years. Or some, they're earning money, but it's just really, in terms of their earnings, it's probably flat or they've hit a lot of uh, bad press negativity in terms of sentiment as well. Context also, as what I've mentioned at the top of this video, they could be good candidates for stocks to buy for next year, but please remember you have to combine them with fundamentals and technicals. If you are an investor, better make sure you don't buy the ones that are losing money, because no matter how low the stock is, if the company is losing money, it's not worth it. If you are a technical analyst, also please remember the context that they're still massively bearish. You better wait for a reversal based on everything that we've been talking about from all the technical analysis videos that I've been making. You need to wait for a reversal before the stock starts to, before you start coming in and before you start to buy. Another context also for investors is basically this. Uh, some of the companies that have been making money have already very attractive dividend yields. So some of them at their lows, if you buy them now and you're willing to wait because they have very good dividends, it might be worth something that's looking at also, especially for people who want to get passive income for life. So let's begin. Number 15. IRC. For those who don't know, IRC moved up last year massively because of the news that, hey, it will be included in the subway project in Makati. But please remember this, the hype, the anticipation of it is gone already. People have taken profits, and please remember, the only way for them to actually make money already is when the subway is operating. If the subway is not operating, then guess what? There's still a long waiting period until that happens. So IRC is down 41.33%. The lowest price for IRC for the year is 1.23 pesos per share. Number 14, Vita, down negative 41.67%. The lowest price is 1.03%. Number 13, and this one, if you remember all of the videos that I've been making, I'm not pretty much a big fan of gas, oil, because it's pretty much subjected to what's happening to the global oil prices. If global oil prices are good or bad, it will highly hit whatever the underlying earnings of the company would be. So Petron down 42.52%. The lowest price for the year is 4.51. So again, I'll repeat this from an investment standpoint. I haven't really been a big fan of companies that are pretty much connected to oil and gas, because it's hard to predict how their earnings will be in an overstretched period of time. PRMX, down 43.38. PRMX is not even in my normal watch list. I don't watch this on a regular basis. The lowest price for the stock for the year is 1.89. IPM, I think the earnings for this company is, this company's earning, it's just not as attractive. The stock price is down 43.9% for the year. The lowest is at 2.4 pesos per share. Now we're in to the Magic 10. Comment Magic 10 if you are learning. Who do you think is the lowest? Who do you think is a stock that has been dropped and massively pushed down for the year? Number 10, Alliance. They sell tuna, they export tuna. Their stock price is food. The company has lost money from 2016 all the way to 2018. Their earnings this year are also not impressive. The stock price is down 46.85%. The lowest price for the stock is 56 centavos. Next, Surpass, the only tech company in the Philippines that's listed. The company has been losing money for 5 straight quarters. The stock is down 47.9. The lowest price is 85 centavos. Guys, please remember this. When it IPO'd, it almost hit 20 pesos per share. That price, from 20 to where it is right now, that's how companies that when they start losing money, you get affected as well if revenue is hit, if the company is not doing so well already. Number 8, Lotto. Parang Lotto din, lost money for 3 straight quarters. The stock is down 50.88%. The lowest price for the stock for the year is 2 pesos. Now, this is surprising. This is one of the more fundamentally sound companies in the list. So if you would need to want to come into something that's fundamentally sound that has been battered, it's DMC. One of the reasons why this is down, number one, it owns Maynilad. Please remember, Maynilad has a lot of controversy today, being that there's a water shortage, and it's become also a bit of a political issue. Number two, another subsidiary, Semirara also closed down because of the mud flow incident, and because they also they had some sanctions also with the government agencies based on what they've done. So DMC, Semirara's not doing well, Manilad's not doing well. Their bright spots, I believe, are still construction and their property development arm. That being said, I've made a video that DMC's dividend yield as of today is already very, 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 very attractive. However, the stock price is down 51.64%. The lowest price for the year is 6.19 pesos per share. Number six, MRC. This company has lost money for 6 straight years. The stock is down 51.91%. The lowest price so far is 0.213 centavos. So people always think, how low can it go? Guess what? Stocks that are below 1 peso, they're saying it's cheap already, buy that already. But that's not the way to go. Stocks that are low can continue to go lower. MAH lost money for the second quarter, 51.94%. Lowest price is 0.98 pesos per share. ABG, the company's been losing money for quite some time, or for some quarters. The stock is down 52.98%. The lowest price is 12 pesos per share. Next, the B shares of MAH, MAHB, same thing, same company, lost money for the second straight quarter, but this is much more battered, 56.96%. The lowest price is 1.02. Now, interesting, we're down to the last two stocks here. Number two, Tugs. The company, for those who don't know what Tugs is a tugboat company. They lost money for the past 3 quarters. The stock is down 62.33%. The lowest stock price so far is 1.1 pesos per share. That's why it's very, very important also that you buy stocks that have dropped of companies that are amazing, because when companies drop and you don't know what the fundamentals are, or the company's losing money, there's nothing that can protect you from it falling even further. And number one, as what I've mentioned also, I already gave you somehow a backdrop during the start of the video, that the biggest hit in all of this would be the ones that are connected to the trade war. So number one, biggest hit, Tech. The company is still making money, but income has dropped massively already. Prior to the trade war, the stock of this company has moved up massively. It's a good export company. It's a good company that manufactures and exports chips. However, because of the trade war, sentiment-wise, they've been hit as well. Anything connected to the trade war globally also has had negative sentiment. Stocks of those companies have been down. Anyways, Tech, 84.21% down. Lowest price for the year is 44.74%. So just to run everything through, IRC, Vita, Pcor, PRMX, IPM, Food, X, Lotto, DMC, MRC, MAH, ABG, MAHB, Tugs, and Tech. So are you guys learning? Please comment below if this is something that's giving so much value to you guys, because that's all I want, to give as much value to you guys as well. Comment I want more if you want more of this format. Now, it's not just the technical analysis videos that I'm making, it's not just the interviews, but I want to make more. I want to continue to create as much content for you guys as possible. And I would just leave this question to all of you, and I want you to answer on the comment section. Knowing all of this, knowing the 15 stocks that have dropped, what will you do with this knowledge? Will you just avoid them completely, or will this be stocks that you would buy as well? So I guess that's it. Last plug for my books, all of them, the links for you on how you can order are at the description. If you want to know more about the basics about the stock market, basics on investments, technical and fundamental analysis, all of them are in the description below. And that's it for the biggest losers for 2019. So I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. I hope this is something that added so much value to you. The reason why I'm doing as much videos as I can is I want to educate all of you guys, and I want you guys to win. I want you guys to get as much as you can as you try to learn and deep dive into the markets as well. By the way, yesterday you can look at the past 5 videos prior to this. All of those videos were posted yesterday. It was my first time to create 5 videos in one day. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know. Please check the videos out if you haven't seen it yet. I would spend a lot of time to make this as well, and I would want to know also from you guys which videos would you like me to make more. So please also comment below what kind of videos, aside from, of course, stocks by request. I know you all like stocks by request. You also like me talking about Jollibee. You also like me interviewing a lot of people. But if there's anything else that you would like me to put on this channel, you guys are winning, and we're gonna put it there. We're gonna make it happen. So that's it for now. This is Marvin Germo. I hope to see you all, by the way, for Stock Smart's Manila this December 7th. So I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.